New Look Clean are a specialist carpet and hard floor cleaning company covering our discerning domestic and commercial clients in Tamworth, Lichfield, Sutton Coldfield and all surrounding regions. As a family-run business established in 2007, we literally have thousands of happy customers, both domestic and commercial. We take our stance in the industry very seriously, fully trained and qualified to the highest standards, and our business is fully insured with years of experience. In fact, we're the only local cleaning company to have attained listing on the Staffordshire County Council Trader Register. This is not a paid membership, but where our qualifications, insurances and quality of work is checked before being approved. We always strive to offer quality and reliable services with a personal touch and provide free expert aftercare advice. We offer carpet, upholstery and hard floor cleaning. For carpet and upholstery cleaning we use eco-friendly cleaning solutions, safe for you, your family, your pets and the environment. They're also guaranteed to leave no dirt attracting residues in your fabric, so your soft furnishings stay clean. For hard floors, we can clean and restore tile and grout, limestone, marble, travertine, terracotta, slate, safety flooring, Carndine, Amtico and many others. Whether the floors in your home look tired and dull or your business premises needs the attention of our professional cleaning services, we're the #1 trusted solution who put customer relationships and exceptional service at the top of our priority list every time. Our commercial clients include medical centres, children nurseries, offices and dentists, as well to not only clean but sanitise your floors and upholstery too. So why buy new when New Look Clean can restore your existing flooring and upholstery at a fraction of the cost with a lot less inconvenience? Our maintenance cleaning will also extend the life of your textiles and hard floors for many years to come, saving you money. We use industry-leading equipment for the deepest and most thorough carpet and hard floor cleaning, whether in your home or office. Please get in touch to discuss your requirements and to ask for a fully transparent upfront quote, and we'd be delighted to help.